Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Mukesh English. Here we are going to have a discussion of the important questions of the speech delivered by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. We are going to have the important questions discussion of an important speech titled Constituent Assembly Speech on December 17, 1946, delivered by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. And this speech is prescribed for the third semester B.Sc. B.Ca. Textbook under BU and BNU, Bangalore University and Bangalore North University. So let's begin it. Answer the following questions in a paragraph. Question number one, elaborate on let us leave aside. Elaborate the statement, let us leave aside words which frighten people. So Dr. Ambedkar opines that there are no apprehensions or doubt as far as the ultimate goal is concerned. His fear or difficulty is how to make the heterogeneous mess, the diverse mess, which we have today to take a decision in common and march together on the path which leads to unity. He stresses that our difficulty is with the beginning, not with the goal. Our difficulty is with the beginning, how to begin it. Further, he says he would like to appeal those people who are not prepared to march together. So he says he appeals, saying that let us leave aside our slogans, let us leave aside words which frighten people, let us even make concession to the prejudices of our opponents, bring them in so that they may willingly join with us on marching upon that road which leads to unity. So, in this manner, he appeals everyone to support Dr. Jayakar's amendment. Question number two, write a note on two different sets of polity. Dr. Ambedkar brings a reference to the paragraph 3. According to the paragraph 3, in this country, there shall be two different sets of polity. One at the bottom, that is the autonomous provinces or the states or such other areas as care to join a united India. These autonomous units will have full powers. They will also have residuary powers at the top, second one, at the top and over the provincial units, there will be a union government having certain subjects for legislation, for execution, and for administration. Thus, there are two sets of polity. One is the autonomous provinces or states, and the other is the union government. Dr. Ambedkar also suggests the need of an intermediate polity, that is, a sub federation between the union government and the provinces. Question number three, mention the two different questions raised which struck Dr. Ambedkar. That's an extra question from my side. So answer is here, mentioning the two important questions which struck Dr. Ambedkar. He said that the first question which was asked by the Prime Minister of Bihar, the question is, how can this resolution prevent the League from coming into Constituent Assembly? That's the first question. The other question is asked by Dr. Shama Prasad Mukherjee. Question is here, is this resolution is inconsistent with the cabinet mission's proposal? Dr. Ambedkar mentions that these two questions are very important questions and ought to be answered categorically. So this is how I have solved the questions of the speech of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. You can go through the description box, the speech summary, and all the other lessons of third semester BCA, BSc lessons with links, videos, links you can see in the description box. Subscribe the channel. Please click on the like button. If you have any questions, you can reach me at mukeshenglish@gmail.com. Thank you so much.